to this episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm with over 3 decades of experience working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about digital marketing. Once you're sure that you're going digital, here are a few points you have to focus on. Customer experience. The success that you achieve in taking your business online will depend on the customer experience. Your client should feel seen and heard. How do you make sure the customer experience is seamlessly excellent? The website should be user-friendly. Your client will immediately know what buttons to click on and which links to follow and where to go. There should be several payment method options on a secure payment page. Your customer experience is the very core of digital marketing success, that the next few points are still directed towards satisfying the customer from the first glimpse of your ad to following up emails. Now, your marketing campaigns. Marketing campaigns should be designed to connect to the prospective client. They should be accessible in the following ways. Your sponsored ad should precisely convey what services you're offering. The language and design should be compatible with the demographics that you're targeting. And the ad should have a call to action and option to click straight to the website. Now, communication. Communication with your client should be sustained. It should not just be about selling them something and that's it. Clients are happy when companies that they patronize communicate with them through updates, purchase confirmations, and related product recommendations. They may not always respond, but you'll at least get a feel for which clients are interested in maintaining relationships with your company. Utilize email marketing. Send birthday greetings and other means of recognizing your clients' milestones. Regularly post to the website blog so that your clients know that your company is active. Respond to email queries promptly. Clients like it when they can reach a human being and not just a bot to provide generic responses. This part of customer satisfaction will help keep your clients. Communication is key to retaining the clients that you already have. Make them feel important, because they are. You need them to succeed and should be thankful for any transaction that they chose to do with your company. Evaluation and improvement. As with every endeavor, there should be an evaluation. You have to check which practices have worked and which ones have failed. Which of your marketing channels worked? How long did you start getting results for each channel? What feedback did you receive? Which features received the most positive feedback? Which features received the most negative feedback? Why do you think the most liked feature succeeded? Why do you think the least liked feature failed? How's your ROI after a week, a month, half a year? Did you gain new customers after going digital? Were the old customers still on board? Many other questions can pop up depending on your particular business. To help you evaluate your own digital marketing tactics, you may want to send out survey forms to your consumers. Let them tell you what they think about your venture so far. Don't be afraid to ask them for recommendations. After all, the customers will purchase a product or service when they're happy about it. For some of you, this is the end of your journey to marketing. However, some of you may want to focus on content creation. A lot of things are riding on your original content. Next, we'll talk about some relevant content creation ideas. Digital marketing is strongly associated with content design. If you have content that people are interested in, it has a strong possibility of going viral. Combine an impeccable content design with your marketing strategies, and you'll find higher chances of success. Your investment can run to results exponentially. Before you even create your content design, you have a few questions to answer them. Who's your target audience? Are they retired homeowners, book lovers age 18 to 30, preppy college students, science lovers? Then what channels are available to your target audience? Email for people in business, social media for millennials? And how much time does your target audience have for reading, watching, or listening to content? A few minutes for working moms who are juggling everything? Things to consider. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's ADVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.